today Morgan's fish has not been moving. So we are gonna go figure out why. He's a pork.
You're playing the game?
No. You better not be, Morgan, if it doesn't say encore still.
In dark. Did you guys touch my fish?
No, not yet.
We were just looking at him.
This is to eat.
I guess.
Yeah, Morgan, we were just looking at it. It's okay, fishy. And not moving. That is. No, and
Okay, Morgan, just go downstairs.
Go
You're gonna
downstairs.
make me mad that I'm gonna eat your corn dog.
Just Morgan. Go downstairs.
I don't want to. Okay, that's hurting my back. How would you like if I did it to you?
Go
downstairs.
Go downstairs. I'm not afraid of you, you little piece.
Go downstairs.
March.
Bailey!
I have a wet towel, Morgan. Get over here. I'm not afraid of you. Don't scream at Dad's. Go downstairs. Pour that on me. See how well that goes.
You try whipping me and stabbing me, I will squirt this.
Go downstairs.
No, I don't want it. You're not the
Bailey!
No, I'm not. I'm cooking.
Please stop.
Please go downstairs. Or else I'm gonna kill your fish.
One minute. I want to sit over here and play with this. And what, 7. No, not this.
Yes, this. It's fine.
Look it. I just stabbed his eye. No, Morgan, I didn't do it. Shall we?